Most people get this wrong. They assume all web hosting providers are the same, but the surprising truth is that Hetzner offers some of the fastest and most reliable hosting at very competitive prices. Hetzner provides shared hosting, cloud servers, and dedicated servers. You won't believe what happens next. Its cloud services come with flexible scaling options, making it suitable for both small websites and growing businesses. The platform is known for excellent uptime and fast server speeds, which is crucial for user experience and SEO. Setting up a website on Hetzner is straightforward. After creating an account, you choose a hosting plan, link your domain, and upload your site via FTP or the control panel. For cloud servers, you can select server locations, adjust CPU and RAM, and manage backups with just a few clicks. The control panel is technical, but well documented, giving you full control over your environment. A few things to consider. Hetzner is best for users with some technical knowledge. Beginners might find the control panel less intuitive than fully managed services. Also, support is solid, but primarily through tickets, so immediate live help may be limited. In conclusion, Hetzner is ideal for anyone who values speed, uptime, and flexible hosting options without paying premium prices. If you are comfortable with a slightly steeper learning curve, it's a strong choice for both personal and business websites. Subscribe for more honest hosting reviews to help you pick the right platform for your site.